Twerp! Could you? Oh!
Whoa. Everyone alright? Are you alright?
All good on my end.
That sounded like the engine stabilizer's malfunctioning. Who's closest to the engine room? Hazard! Hazard! Come in. Are you alright?
Hazard, come in. Let us know you're alright, please.
I'm good. There's a smoke in here. I'm looking for what happened to her. Okay, so I can hold her together for now, but I need some Class E freeze bolts.
On it! I'm right by the storage unit. Just hang in there. Eri, I need you on the wheel keeping us steady.
Already on it. We should be as smooth as possible. Absolutely no rush, but it would be best for the stabilizers to kick back in very soon, just so we don't go spiraling out of control.
Catch!
Everything feels smooth up here. Nice job, everyone.
Good job figuring that out. I thought for sure we were all doomed.
I'm so glad you're okay.
Glad you're okay too. Right. Yes.
Ahem. Another day on the ship, everything was fine when suddenly, boom, all systems were offline. Everything's broken, but we didn't fear. The nerds, Sloan and Hazard were already here, with Eri in the cockpit keeping us smooth, and Twerp's epic tunes getting us into the groove. It all turned out fine. The day was saved. Greatest crew in the galaxy. Everyone else should be amazed.
Hey, Twerp, could you try actually being helpful next time?